Hey folks, and welcome to this latest video about Defang, the easiest way for developers to deploy their containerized applications to AWS. So today I want to show you how to integrate Defang with your CI/CD practices. So we're going to take the existing Next.js sample and set it up to work with GitHub Actions. Okay, so I'm making a Git repo. We'll do Defang Next.js. And there we go. Okay, so I just pushed and we have our project here. So the first thing we're going to do when we do this is we're going to run defang token scope admin expires and set this to however many hours makes sense for you. In my case, I'm going to do 24 hours right now. It's going to prompt you to log in. There you go. Awesome. And now I have my token, which will expire in 24 hours. So don't go trying it. Now let's head back to our repo. I will go into our secrets and variables for actions, and we'll set up a secret. Defang access token, and we will paste in our token. So we're going to create a directory, .github, and we'll do workflows and deploy.yaml. Okay, so we've got this file, deploy on push to branches main. The job is deploy. It runs on Ubuntu latest, and the environment is production. And our steps: the first thing we do is we check out the repo. Second thing we do is we install Defang. Third thing we do is we defang compose up -v. So -v will give us verbose, so we can see anything that's going on in there. And we set the environment variable defang access token to the value of secrets defang access token. So let's give this a shot. So I just did a git push, and I also added this detach because otherwise the action will never stop running. So adding that detach makes sure that Defang will detach once the deployment is complete. So now you can see I pushed and this deployed. No worries, nice and easy. Okay, so I've done a little bit of tweaking, and we're also going to do something else here, which is we're going to set concurrency to this deploy group and cancel in progress false. That means that each time this workflow gets triggered, it's going to wait for the previous iteration to complete. So you're not going to get duplicate deployments running at the same time, which is actually fine in the playground with Defang because the builds are queued, and so they'll wait for the previous one to run. But in BYOC, that's not the case yet, and so you want to be able to do this queuing in your CI/CD pipelines. All right, and here is the value of being able to use Defang in your CI/CD pipelines. We've been deploying over and over to make sure that everything is running the way that we want to. And here we go. We've got this web service running, and there it is. Awesome. All right, folks, that's how to use Defang in your CI/CD pipelines. I hope you learned something and go deploy something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.